Hello, everyone. I'm Sebastian, and I'm a member of Morphing Groove Map. What we have today is this is a Google map of different kinds of music, and we call it Music Morphing Map. The dots are representations of different kinds of music in hyperdimensional space, and so we're doing this, we're allowing people to change music, select different kinds of music and change it on the fly. There is a social media feature at the top that allows people to map the music. Not only are the dots different kinds, but all the space in between. The more people contribute, the more data that we have and the more accurate the map becomes. There's also, up at the top, it describes what's going on the screen, and there's a voice that tells us, that tells people that need accessibility what's going on. And so with that, we're going to do a demo of a few of the features. I'm using a live MIDI controller for that. And Lucas, could you bring up UK Garage for the first prompt? And would you choose a different one? And we're going to morph to it. St. Pat. And so now I'm going to use this MIDI controller to morph between the different dots. I'm going to choose the furthest one on the map. I don't know what it's going to be, but we're going to do this. And then I'll choose a different one. And what we can do is we can interpolate live between the different times, and I can stop it. It'll be a different kind of music that the crowd or we can choose to do. So there's a bunch of other things we can do. We have a groove instrument where we can take the feel and swing of old-time samples and apply it to the music. And while we're waiting for the swing to kick in, we are ARIA compliant. We have voiceover accessibility for people, for every control that we have, so that they can tell what we're doing. And with that, that's the end of our presentation. We are Morphing Music Map. And with that, I'm going to glitch out.
Thank you.